Hello, in front of me I have REALME C73, and in this video I'm going to show you how to restart this device. Okay, so we have two methods for the restart. We can use the simple reboot from the power menu, or we can use the force restart method. So let me show you both of them. For simple restart, simply tap power button and volume up button to launch the power menu, just like that. Now all you need to do is to grab this white ball and put it on the restart, just like that. Now you need to release your finger. When it comes to the force restart, we need to hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Let me show you. Keep on holding for a few seconds. Okay, the screen is off, and when the phone vibrates, we can release our fingers. The REALME logo appeared, and now we just need to simply wait until the device is turned on. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.